In this video, I'm going to show you what to look for in stocks when it's a bear market. If you find stocks that are doing this, you're going to minimize your losses and also maximize your potential returns. Because the stocks you want to be looking for in a bear market are stocks that have high relative strength, meaning that when the market falls, they don't fall as much, and when stocks rebound, they rebound more than others. An example of a stock or an asset class that is not behaving well in a bear market right now is crypto, and you can look at Bitcoin. As you can see by this chart right now, Bitcoin is at its year-to-date lows, while the overall market is nowhere near those levels. And when the market rebounds, Bitcoin does not rebound as much. This shows that Bitcoin is an overperformer to the downside and an underperformer to the upside in this market. You want to find stocks that do the opposite. For instance, take a look at Uber. As the market has dropped, Uber has dropped far less, and it's been holding its ground as the market overall has been dropping. In addition, when you see the market move up like we did today, Uber outperforms to the upside. This is a stock that is showing great relative strength, and these are the stocks that you want to find in a bear market. Join the Patreon for live trade alerts where you can find options trades that can be 10x, like the Apple trade we had last week. And follow this channel for more content.